Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am unboxing this month's Glossybox. But before we get into the unboxing, I just want to talk about the eye look that I've created. I created this eye look using the Morphe Live in Colour collection. If you haven't seen this collection, check it out. It is so beautiful. Just look at these colours. It's absolutely insane. So with the collection, you do get a 25 pan eyeshadow palette, which is just so colourful and amazing, as it is for Pride. Just look at those colours. I try to use every single one of them. I didn't use a couple, but I've used most of them. It's just insane. The pigments are amazing. I created this look in probably less than 10 minutes using these shades. That's how insanely pigmented and blendable these are. You can also buy a brush set with this collection, and they have 7 brushes. And they look a little bit like this. Obviously, I've used all 4 of these ones, but these ones haven't touched yet. But again, these are amazing brushes. Those are all the brushes that I use for my eye look. No other brush was used, and they were absolutely amazing as well. So I did have to purchase both items from the collection, and I'm so impressed, and it's well worth my money. And then on my lips, I've just used the Jeffree Star Cherry Wet Velour Liquid Lipstick. I thought this was going to be a perfect match, as I don't have anything else that's quite bright like this. So really happy how the look turned out. If you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial on this look, then please like this video and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. I just think it's a beautiful eye look, and I'm so impressed with these products. And that is all I'm going to say about today's look. Now I'm going to get straight into the unboxing video, as that is why you have clicked on this video. Okay, so if you guys don't know what Glossybox is, it's a monthly subscription box of 5 different items. All these items are beauty items. They can be makeup, hair care, skincare products, nail varnishes. They could either be full sizes or deluxe sizes, but mostly in Glossybox there are full sizes, and then the box is £13.25 monthly. Okay, so now that I've talked about all of that stuff, I'm going to just get in and unbox the video straight away, as I'm really excited to see what's in this month's box. So for this month you do have the standard pink box. We don't have like a special design at all. You do get a description card in every single box, and it looks like the theme this month is called Summer Soirée, and it looks very refreshing and summery on the front. I'm just going to read the description of this month's box. So it says, "Hey Glossies, this June we're inviting you to our summer soiree. From the races to formal weddings and garden parties to casual barbecues, summer is a time of celebration. That's why we filled our iconic pink box with all the essential beauty products you need to get ready for whatever occasion lie ahead. Our summer soiree edit includes 3 gorgeous, highly pigmented makeup products you can slip into your clutch and use on the go, as well as skincare and hair care that will help you get prepped and primed for the big day. You're going to look stunning." So already I'm really excited about this box. So we do get a sneak peek for next month. So for July it says, "Whether you're jetting off on your jollies or embracing the British sun, we've got all your holiday essentials covered, starting with this incredible multi-purpose Moroccan oil treatment. You can use it as a conditioning, styling and finishing tool, saving space in your suitcase while rescuing sun-damaged hair." So that is the 1st of July sneak peek. So this is what inside this month's box looks a little bit like. You can see some really good products in there so far. I'm just going to pop it to the side and pick out the first product. So the first product that I'm picking out is a brand that I know, and it's called HAIRCARE, and this is a coconut oil nourishing deep conditioner, moisturizes and revitalizes. You can use it on all hair types. So this is a 50ml little sachet. So it says, "This deep conditioner is an ultra restorative moisturizing treatment that will revitalize all hair types." So this is known for rehydrating and softening qualities, and for leaving all hair types nourished, moisturised and revived. Apply a generous amount of deep conditioner to clean wet hair. Massage into hair, focusing on damaged areas. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse well. I'm just going to read what it says about it in the description card. So HAIRCARE Deep Conditioning Treatment. Backed by popular demand, these moisturising hair masks perfectly prep your locks for any style. Infused with a range of essential oils including coconut, macadamia, papaya, acai berry and mangosteen oil, they replenish, nourish and purify your tresses. Massage the mask into your locks, leave it in for 10 minutes and rinse. You can then style your newly nourished, shiny and frizz-free hair ready for your big event. So this is a full size for £2.49. So this is one of 3. So there are 2 other hair masks that you could either get. So it could either be superfruit or macadamia oil. So that's the first product. So the second product again is from a brand that I am very much aware of, and it's Sleek Makeup. This is a face form contouring and blush palette, and it's in the colour Fair, which is good because I know they were going to do 2 different palettes out, and I was wondering what kind of one I was going to get. So it just says Face Form is the ultimate contouring multi-palette. This unique compact includes a matte, easy to blend contour powder, illuminating highlighter, shimmer blush for a healthy bronze glow or a brilliant flush of colour. And there are the shades in the palette. They do look like they're going to match my skin tone, so I'm really happy with them. And those are the swatches for the face palette. That highlighter looks insane. I think it's going to be a good match for me. The blusher does have a little bit of shimmer in, so it's not a complete matte, but that is super pretty. It's got a gold reflex to it. I'm just going to read a little bit more about this product. So it says Sleek Makeup Face Form Contouring Palette. Whether you receive the fair or light palette, you'll look on point for every occasion thanks to these 3-in-1 contour highlighter and blush face definition kits. Start by sculpturing your cheekbones using the matte contour powder. Then apply the blush to give your cheeks a rosy flush before blending and softening the look with a sweep of highlighter. You can take these palettes out with you and touch up if necessary. This is a full size for £9.99, so not a bad price for a face palette. So for the next product we have an item by Model Co. I've heard of this brand before, we've had this brand, and it's a matte lip cream in peachy nude, and it has 4 millilitres of product in, and it just says it's a full coverage lip gloss with long lasting high pigment colour. The creamy formula dries instantly upon application to lock in rich matte coverage. And here's the colour of Peachy Nude. It is very much a peach and a nude colour, so it's a really good name. Let me just do a swatch. And there's a swatch for Peachy Nude. Look at that, that is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so it says Model Co Lip Cream Matte. This luscious lip cream in Peachy Nude is a perfect way to finish off your going out look. Created by iconic Australian beauty brand Model Co, it boosts a long-lasting and highly pigmented colour that will instantly give you a rich matte coverage. Simply sweep it across your lips and allow it to dry for 60 seconds. Then pop the lippy into your handbag and reapply as required. You'll look fabulous. This is a full size for £15. So the next product is from a brand that I've never heard of. I think you pronounce it Meech and Mia, and it's an eyeshadow chubby stick. I don't know what the colour's called. I think the colour is 054. It looks like a really nice champagne-y gold colour. So let me just open it up and do a little swatch to show you guys. So there's the swatch for the chubby stick. It is a gold colour, but it is very sheer. So you have to kind of like work it over and over to kind of give it a lot of pigment. But it does look nice. I think you would get more pigment out of an eyeshadow. A chubby stick is not something that I would normally use, so I don't know if I'll keep it. I might pass it along to someone else. But it is a pretty colour, very subtle. So it is Meech and Mia eyeshadow chubby stick. Create the perfect eye look for your special occasion with this highly pigmented gold eyeshadow pencil. Boosting a rich and creamy formula, it glides on effortlessly. Not really. Use it alone to create a bold look. The colour payoff is amazing. Or blend it with loose and pressed eyeshadow for a softer finish. Thanks to its convenient size, you can even slip it into your clutch bag and top up on the go. This is a full size for £12.99. £12.99 for this chubby stick. It's even more than the face palette. Okay, so now on to the last product, and we have an item from AVANT, and we've had the brand before in the boxes, and this is called a Pro Perfecting Collagen 2 Eclat Primer. Wow, that's a mouthful. This has 30 millilitres in the bottle. It says just apply to clean, dry skin, wet alone or under foundation to create a smooth, even canvas. There's nothing else on the packaging to tell me a little bit more about the product, so I will read the description card and see what else it says. So AVANT Pro Perfecting Collagen 2 Eclat Primer. You loved AVANT night cream so much that we've brought you this incredible high-end primer. The AVANT night cream was really good, really nice. Silky, lightweight and universal. It mattifies and softens your complexion while also reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a pea-sized amount to the centre of your face and blend outwards. It will perfectly prep your skin for a flawless makeup application before your big event, helping your look to last even longer. Now this is a full-size product, right? Full-size product for £85. £85 for this 30 millilitres of primer. £85. I'm just going to put a bit on the back of my hand. So it's a white primer. It hasn't got much of a smell, it just smells like skincare. Let's rub it in. It is very liquidy. That has absorbed straight into my skin and it feels amazing. Wow. I will definitely be giving this a try to see if it's any good. £85 for this primer. It must work for that amount of money. So I will give it a go and see what it's like, and I will update you guys. Right guys, so that's everything from this month's box. We did have a good box. We have obviously a face palette which I am going to try out and see if it works. A lipstick that I know I'm going to add to my collection as it's a really nice nude. I do go for nude sometimes, but obviously not always, as I have this really bright cherry wet colour on my lips. I'm definitely going to be adding this hair mask to my other hair masks because I do need it sometime soon as it is looking a little bit dry. The chubby stick I'm not going to keep. I'll probably pass it on to someone like my mum. She might like this sort of thing, but not for me, so that will be going on. And then the £85 primer. I can't wait to try it out. I cannot wait. It's going to be very interesting to see if it works and what it actually does to your skin under foundation. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. It's Grammar somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. So again, if you want me to do a tutorial on this look, then please like this video. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.